Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to talk about a fundamental core exercise that I feel like everybody could probably do a little bit more of that will help with a lot of low back pain. And it's the plank. It's a very simple exercise. A lot of people do it wrong or just do it suboptimally. So I'm going to walk you through two different variations of the plank to really engage that core and start strengthening everything around there. So the first one is going to be your standard forearm plank. Everybody has seen this or done this in gym class at some point. You just go on your forearms like so and up on your toes. If you're not quite there to do this on your toes, you can always start this on your knees. There's no shame in that at all. But we're going to go to here. And what a lot of people will do is they'll let their hips sink in quite a bit like this. When you do this, you're probably going to feel some pain in your low back. If you're already suffering from low back pain, you'll probably feel a little bit of pain in that low back, a little bit of a pinch point there. What a lot of other people will do as well is to take the load off, is we'll kind of get into this bear crawl position here where our butt is just way too high up in the air. You're not engaging the core really at all anymore. So we really want to make sure that our tailbone and our shoulder blades are roughly the same height. So your mid back all the way down to your butt should be about the same height. You're not quite a check mark like a lot of people think. You're almost more of a table. That's going to engage the core really, really well. And then you're going to hold that for whatever set rep you're doing. My recommendation is always try to get 3 minutes of planks in a day. It doesn't have to be 1 3-minute hold. It can be 3 1-minute holds, 6 30-second holds, however you want to break it up to get there. But 3 minutes a day will go a really long way. Now, the other variation of the plank is, of course, your push-up plank. That is where you're going to be on your hands instead of your forearms. And it's really just personal preference which one you want to do, but it's the same cues. You want your hips to be roughly the same height as your mid-back or your shoulder blades. You don't want to be sagging down here like this because now you're losing your core and you're pinching your low back, and you don't want to be up here in this bear crawl position where you're completely unloading your core from the exercise. So try to maintain that nice, almost tabletop level there from the mid-back down to the sacrum. And then again, you're going to hold that for however long you're doing. Again, I recommend about 3 minutes total. So check your plank, see if you're doing it right. If you are, kudos to you. Do more of them because they're a great exercise. And if you're not, make those modifications and really feel that core get attacked there and build some of that spinal stability.